This is my first time of hearing slushy. I mean, I've heard about sushi. I know that one, but slushy. I'm not a bartender, so why should I slushy? But here, I'm making my own slushy at home. Isn't that amazing? That is insane. Slushie hasn't excited me this much until I got my hands on the INOVIVA Slushie Maker, a machine that promises to bring frozen drink right into your kitchen. Let me walk you through my experience step by step because this machine is a game changer. The unboxing was an exciting moment for me. Straight out of the box, you can see the Slushie Maker radiates slickness and functionality. The design is so compact but yet powerful. It comes with an intuitive button panel featuring options like Slushie, Frappes, Milkshake, Cocktail, Wine and Clean. I'm not looking at it, you can already feel the versatility of this machine. So I decided to put it to test by making a fresh pineapple slushie. And trust me, it did not disappoint at all. First, I peeled 2 ripe pineapples, juiced it using my juicer, and ended up with 36 ounces of the most vibrant golden pineapple juice. The next step was where the fun really began. With the juice loaded, I hit the slushy button and the machine came to life. It wasn't just about the functionality, it was fascinating to watch. You could feel the machine working its magic, transforming the liquid into a beautifully frozen slushy texture. In just few minutes, the machine beeped, signaling that my tropical pineapple slushie was ready. I think the taste is not so bad at all. You will enjoy this thing better during the summer. This actually tastes so good. I mean, this is my first time of hearing slushy. I mean, I've heard about sushi. I know that one, but slushy. I'm not working in a bar, for crying out loud. I'm not a bartender, so why should I slushy? Or why should I make slushy? But here, I'm making my own slushy at home. Isn't that amazing? That is insane. So here comes our pineapple slushy. It tastes so good. It's icy. So this INOVIVA right here comes with the refrigerating liquid that does this. Honestly, isn't that amazing? That is so cool. Honestly, the pineapple slushy was so delicious, bursting with fresh flavor and the perfect balance of icy and juicy. To clean the machine, just hit the clean button and that will save you time and effort. As a bonus, the recipe inspiration booklet that comes with this INOVIVA machine is a treasure trove of ideas, from fruity slushies to rich frappes and even creative cocktails. There is no end to what you can whip up with this machine. It is perfect for family gatherings, date nights, or even treating yourself on a sunny afternoon. Alright lovelies, thank you so much for watching today's video. If you enjoyed what you saw today, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to search for INOVIVA Slushie frozen drink maker on Amazon.com. I think you should have this at your kitchen so you don't have to be buying milkshake, fruit shake, or all shakes for your children or for your family every time. I enjoyed my pineapple shake today and I hope you enjoy yours. Thank you so much for watching. Until I see you again next time, happy slushing.